My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Fopra. Fopra is a ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. You have just seen that before the ransomware attack there were no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Fopra ransomware may be easily injected into the system. This happens because of outdated anti-malware databases by the existing security applications. So pretty soon people realize that they cannot open their files. When they try to open the file, they get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Fopra extension. The ransomware also drops this ransom note on the desktop mentioning that all your files have been encrypted, also saying that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. It also indicates some email addresses here for contacting the developers. However, paying the ransom or contacting the developers does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data recovered. So don't ever pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software called Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. But to download Combo Cleaner, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser. Other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may be also damaged by this ransomware. Now, after you download Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will then begin researching and investigating your computer. You will then see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of this scanning, you will see the information about threats and their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.